everyone, welcome back. In this Vue.js video tutorial, we are going to learn how we can use the for loop in the React.js. So let's get started. So we just installed this project with the Vue CLI, and if you don't know how to install this project, you can watch over the previous video and link is given in the description box. So after the installing with the CLI, you will see that we have lots of code with the app.vue, and after that there is a component folder, and in this component folder you will find that hello world.vue file, and we are going to use our for loop in this file. So this is including in the app.js file. So now let's directly start with the hello world.vue. So first of all, I need a data function here, so I'm going to use the data function, and all the data will be displayed in this function. So it need to return something, so it will return what it will going to return. So we can, if this is using returning the object, then we have to use the curly brackets. Okay, and after that use something like to do's. All right, and here I'm going to take an array. So let's say we have to study something like let's say JavaScript framework in the array. So Vue.js, React.js, Angular, and we want to show them in a loop. So this is the arrays, and how we can show them. So just go with the HTML. This is the template part here, and for here you can directly write here let's say ol is good. This is the ordered list, you can see that, and I'm going to write here li. Okay, inside the li, just you can use the view oven tags, or it's a for loop, you can see that. So you can use the view for, and view for will take that, and here you can use the loop like say that to do's in to do's, to do in the to do's. All right, nice. And after that, simply you can write here this. This is showing the red line? Because I didn't install the plugin for with the ESLint plugin for Vue, that's why it's showing me. So don't worry about that. Okay, and after that, if I'm going to simply write to do, then what it's going to show, just check in the front end. So you can see that we got the Vue.js and these things in the list. So this is very simple, and let's say we have the keys with that, then how we can handle them. So for the key, you can handle with the make a key for with that like text. All right, just make key to it, and I'm going to copy this one so that we can use the another thing quickly. All right, so now you can write here React and pure.js. All right, now let's see. You will see that this kind of loop. Why? Because we have to use the now dot text property, dot text, and with that you will be able to see the all the same things with the key pair value. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and in the next video we will learn something more about the Vue.js. So enough for now. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like our video, and if you have any kind of suggestion, you can put me in the comment box. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.